Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by equipping your night vision goggles into a hotbar slot and confirming battery level. This prevents blind activation when contact happens. Once done, approach the dark area slowly and hold the use button for about 1.5 seconds to activate. This avoids the click alert. You should hear the soft relay hum and see green tint. Adjust helmet fit if the view is skewed. Make sure to check overlay icons so you know battery percent and remaining runtime. Once active, fine-tune brightness and contrast to reveal shapes without washing out night detail. Lower setting reduces bloom but hides subtle cues. You should move in controlled increments. Short sprints to close gaps, then crouch to cut your noise footprint. Also, rely on the minimap and listen for audio cues because NV amplifies contrast but not sound. Pairing NV with soft surface movement and suppressed steps prevents enemy attention. Make sure to mark waypoints so you maintain orientation. To finish, prioritize your exfil path and conserve battery by pulsing NV short intervals. Swap in spare cells before the final push. If your night vision unexpectedly cuts out, immediately switch to thermal or a dim flashlight and move to cover. This prevents stumbling into enemies. If the view is noisy or blurred, remove and re-equip the goggles or recalibrate headset to clear artifacts. Finally, verify inventory and gadget binds after exfil so you won't repeat the same error next run.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.